7 sections of this chain, 3/8 inch chain, 48 inches long, and a little bit of 8 sections. You can see how it's hung up on the end there. If I take it off, try to put 8 across here. Goes 7.5. Yeah, it's only going to hold about 7.5 sections. Yeah, right about there. If I go any further, then it falls down. Doesn't fall down all the way like our competitions. That's half, so 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it held 7.5 sections of that 38 inch chain. So almost the whole thing, minus that little section there.